Many manufacturers mistakenly believe that a UL 2075 certified sensors guarantees UL 2034 approval for their alarms units. This is a certifical misconception. UL 2075 is just a combinator pass, while UL 2034 is the full product test. Alarms often fail due to extreme climate, PROSENSE or glass interference. The PROSENSE FCCO 5000 series have been tested in all kinds of extreme environments. It can resist the silicon PROSENSE and VOC interference, withstand a wide temperature ranging from -40°C to 15°C. Operate reliably, long survival life, and maintenance-free design. As a UL committee member, PROSENSE has helped customers successfully pass the UL 2034, proving real-world compliance supporting EU and North American standards for residential, RV, and marine use. It's simply global market entry. Remember, UL 2075 is not a free pass. Choose a high-performance sensors that enables UL 2034 success for secure, hassle-free exports.